Hello friends, I am Dr. Priyasha from Swastik Dental and Maxillofacial Clinic. Hope you all are taking care of yourself. Today we are going to talk about root canal treatment. Many of my friends have inquired me about root canal treatment, that whether they should go for it or not. So I just want to throw some light on it. Before going on root canal treatment, I would like to explain you about the parts of tooth. There are basically three parts. The first, most outer, the most protective and the strongest part of our teeth, which we call it as the enamel. The second part is dentin, and the third and innermost part of our teeth, which we call it as a pulp, which contains blood vessels and nerves. So when there is decay in first two parts, which is enamel and dentin, that time you may not have any kind of pain. You may have mild sensitivity or any food lodgement issue, and that issue can be treated by your dentist just by doing filling. But when this decay will reach to the pulp, you may feel pain, and that time your dentist will advise you that you have to go for root canal treatment or extraction, means removal of your tooth. And that time you will be wondering that I don't know what is root canal treatment and what your dentist will do while performing this root canal treatment. So I want to explain you about the steps what we are doing in this treatment. So there are basically three steps in root canal treatment. In first step, we have to remove all the carious portion, the decayed portion from enamel and dentin. Then in second step, we need to reach to the pulp and open up all the canals. We have to clean the infected and the infected portion from canals. We have to wipe it up and need to irrigate it with special kind of medicaments. After doing irrigation, in third step, we need to fill it up all the canals with special kind of artificial material, which we call it as a Gatapalcha, which is completely biocompatible and not harmful. So after completion of all three canals, when you will become pain free and you are able to chew soft diet from that side, we have to fill up this cavity with special kind of filling material. That's all about root canal treatment. So after completion of this treatment, your dentist will advise you that you have to go for crown on it. And again you will think that is it compulsory to go for it or not? So yes, it is mandatory to go for it, because if your root canal treated tooth will become brittle, and that could be chances of fracture of your teeth when you eat any hard substances from that side. So for the protection of your teeth and the longevity of your tooth, you have to go for crown after doing root canal treatment. So to conclude it, if you have any problem, you have any kind of pain and your dentist advise you that you have to go for it, you have to go for root canal treatment, then definitely you should go, because the preservance of your natural tooth is always first priority, then going removal of your teeth. So I hope you get any information by this regarding root canal treatment by this video. We'll come back again with another informative video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep smiling.